not just for this moment, not for an hour or day or year. I will always love you. I have to catch my breath to believe this real, that I am marrying my true love, my heart's desire, and my best friend.
Allan and Precilla, Christ wanted you to experience the fullness of joy. But for you to be able to experience the fullness of joy, Christ mentioned 3 times in the gospel. He said, "Remain in my love."
She wasn't so far from you. 2 stones from the same blue sea. It could have been anyone. You could have been right from me. I wanna breathe you in. Use every moment of.
You and I both know how indecisive I can be at times. I simply don't like to make decisions. If there's one decision in my life that I know that is the right one, is to spend the rest of my life with you.
We don't know what lies ahead. We still have a ways to go. For now, I will take your hand. Treasure what I get to hold. I wanna breathe you in.
And now I will always share with you. We have always been married through all time, through all the world. Our souls have always been unified, and I have the joy of experiencing that love now and forever.
Use every moment of. So when the light grows dim,
I get to have you be the person I spend the rest of my life with. I get to be there for you and support you. I love you today. I love you tomorrow. I love you forever.
give you all my love.
I promise only my constant devotion and love forever and ever. I love you.
All my love, all my love, all my love.